they're trying to reach out for a settlement. Let us see how it develops. Talagang galit ako. As in galit. Just imagine, in 1957, they were already collecting money from the people to build a parang ano to to give us a potable water or something. Nga hanggang ngayon, tapos yung pera nandyan. Enhancement of environmental tangin. 1957, collecting money, it's in your bill if you care to look at it, and it is there that you guys have been collecting money since 1957 to build something of, and you have not even come up with a can of clean water or a canal there. Yan ang mahirap. So where is the money? Where is the money of the Filipino people? Where is the money of the average Filipino na mahirap na magbabayad who pays his water bill, and he has to pay because if it will be cut off, it would give him a lot of headache for the day. Yan ang gusto kong malaman. Saan ang pera ng putang ina na yan? Give us back the money. Give it back to the people. And maybe we can talk about solving your problem. It will not be the problem of this government. I am not afraid that there will be no water because I will just take over and nationalize water in the Philippines. Ganon lang yan. Marami akong sundalo. Karami akong sundalo. Sila Brigis. Oh. Sila ang pa-take over ko. There are a lot of, most of the generals who have retired are here.